Hi there, it's Olga. Thanks for joining me. The project I'll be making today is a summer-themed tag that is completely see-through. It fits any occasion and it's very easy to put together. So let's get started and I'll show you exactly how to do it. To create a tag shape, I'm going to use two largest dies from two coordinating sets. They are double stitch tags and double stitch tag frames by Poppy Stamps. I've die cut the plain tag out of acetate, and the frame out of white cardstock will need 4 die cuts. The next step is embossing the acetate, so I'm going to put my tag inside the embossing folder. I'm using the one by Sizzix, and then I'm going to send it through the die cutting machine exactly like I would do with the paper or other materials. The tools and supplies I'm using will be listed on my blog as well as in the description, and here you can see the result. It really makes a lot of difference. Another favorite technique of mine is layering the die cuts, and I'm going to layer 3 frames out of 4. Next, I'm going to attach the frames onto the clear background, so I'm applying glossy accents all around the outline of the tag, and then I'm putting the layered thick frame on top of it. Then I'm going to press it down with an acrylic block. I'll be attaching the remaining frame to the back side of my tag, so that the wrong side will be looking nice too. For my focal image, I'm going to use this die. It's called Tall Sketch Daisies, and it's from the new summer collection by Poppy Stamps. I'm going to die cut those daisies out of white cardstock, and by the way, you can use both positive and negative images. I am releasing all the die cuts from the die, and then I'm going to repeat the process and die cut the same image out of silver mirror cardstock. I'm applying just a tiny bit of liquid glue onto the white die cut. Then I'm going to place the silver one on top of it, offsetting it a little bit to the side. And that is going to create a kind of outline or highlight. I did that to all the flowers, and now I'm attaching them onto the tag using glossy accents. I like using glossy accents for attaching paper to acetate. I'm trimming the stems when necessary, and then I'm going to attach the sentiment. I have stamped the saying that says "Sharing Kindness" on a strip of white cardstock, and then I'm going to silver emboss it. The sentiment itself is from the stamp set called Magic and Sparkle, also by Poppy Stamps. When the powder was heat set, I have trimmed the strip to the width of my tag. Then I'm applying some glossy accents at the wrong side and attaching it closer to the bottom of the tag. Another little detail that I would like to add is that butterfly, and it's from the set called Butterfly Cluster by Birch Press Design. I'm placing the die cut onto the scoring board and scoring the line right along her body. Then I'm wrapping her wings around the bone folder to shape them. I'm folding the butterfly slightly in half to lift up its wings. Then I'm applying just a tiny bit of glue and attaching it onto the tag. Then I have decided to use some clear droplets as well. I think they are going to match the embossed splatter background. I have arranged all the droplets on a tag, then I'm lifting them up one by one, applying some glue and placing them back. All there is left to do is to attach the ribbon, so first I'm going to punch a hole using my Big Bite Crocodile tool. Then I'm feeding a piece of organza ribbon through the hole and tying it up. That's simple. Now I just have to trim off the ends of the ribbon and my project is finished. I know that most people don't watch the videos till the end, so if you have gone this far, I just have to say thank you. I really appreciate you. Have a great weekend.